Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Nissan Murano. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.